Flux Defense here. I'm Ryan.
I'm Jake.
And today we're going to be going over some of your guys' questions. Part 2!
That means it's 2 times better.
Twice as good because we know what we're doing this time.
Not really. Our boss told us that we're fired if this isn't our last take. Please pray for us.
So, starting off, we have the Ranger Green Raider. That's a big one. We're going to be releasing this tomorrow at 12 p.m. MDT, Mountain Daylight Time.
That goes into our next question. A few of you have asked, customer service, what is the difference between the Tan Raider and the Black Raider? I don't know how to answer that. Genuinely, I don't. It's the color.
Is that a real question?
It is a real question.
Next up, we have the Glock and the RXM talk, right? This is something that every single one of you watching this video, you've already asked it 3 times in at least some of our social medias. The Glock is in production. Excuse me. Bro, all right. The Glock is in development right now. We are doing testing and just developing with it. They're actively testing and developing it. Did I mention that? But I can tell you, firsthand, there is a physical, like this Ranger Green Raider, there's a physical version of it.
Next up, will you guys ever be producing a chassis system for the Springfield XD? No, we will not. I don't know who the fuck wants one for that gun. You probably know that that's not a great option. If we ever do make one, it's because we have lost our goddamn mind.
Lastly, the Raider 365 Forward Optic Mount. These have been out of stock for about a month, so a lot of you guys have been patiently waiting for them. I'm here to tell you that they are coming into production. We're getting close to getting them back in stock. It's just going to be a few more weeks. We're waiting on anodizing at the moment, and then once we get that nailed out, we'll have them on the website for you guys to buy. Same ones as before, where they're RMR footprint and RMSC footprint.
To finish us off, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section if you have a stupid question that you would like for us to answer on next week's video. Or you can send in a picture of your Raider build.
So we can roast it. Just so we can roast it.
Yeah. If you are sensitive in any way, please don't send your build in because we will roast the absolute fuck out of it. If it's decent, we'll rate it.
It's a good build.
But most likely, we will roast it.
Yeah. Shoot over photos of your Raider builds to support@fluxdefense.com, and we'll put them up next week. All right, man. I think that does it. I think that does it. Raiders, Ranger Green!